Our focus question, Tom was selling boxes of candy again for his school's fundraiser. This time we're going to find the median. So the median means the number in the middle. And yes, we do have to line them up. Middle. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? There we go. You do have to, not line them up, you do have to put them in order. Must put in order first. So in this case, these numbers are in order. We do have to plot them again on our graph here. So first we do have a number 1. I'm going to put a circle at 1. We have a 2. We have another 2. There's those. We have a 3. We have another 3. We have 2 more 3s. So we have 4 3s. I kind of made a snowman there. Sorry. We have a 5. We have an 8. And we have a 10. All right, now that we have those all plotted, we are going to find the number in the middle. So we're going to start by going from side to side. So outside, 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 outside. And we have 2 numbers in the middle here. And we are going to have to find in between those 2 numbers. But in this case, in between 3 and 3 is just 3. So the number in the middle, the median, is 3. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the median? Great job!